Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, we're making something near and dear to my heart. Pizza. If y'all don't know, I'm a huge pizza fan. French bread pizza, regular pizza, thick crust, thin crust, don't matter. I like it all. So, come across this recipe in the old interweb, caught my attention, figured hey, let's put it on the channel. Check it out. So, I'm gonna try it. Stick around. Alright y'all, this is a fairly simple recipe. The crust isn't your typical crust. It's made from tater tots. And like I said, I've never made it before, but it just says to I know it says to use a cast iron skillet, but I don't have a good cast iron skillet, so we're going to just use this 9x13 baking pan. And it says just to line the bottom with tater tots. Those ones are escaping over there. So I'm going to stuff as many as I can down in there. So, alright, that should get her. Got a couple extra there. So now you just start out, you bake these at 425 for about 10 minutes and get them thawed out and kind of warm, and then you take a spatula or fork or whatever and kind of smash them down and make one big crust out of them. So we're going to do that, and when we get that done, we will bring you back. Alright y'all, I just pulled them tater tots out of the oven, and I'm going to use a potato smasher because we're smashing taters. So just kind of, I said, you want to kind of smash them and make them into like a solid crust. So that's what we're going to do here. Of course, they said to use a wooden spoon, but alright, that looks like one solid crust to me. How about you y'all? So, alright. And then also in the recipe, said use marinara sauce. I ain't about the marinara sauce. We're making pizza. We're going to use pizza sauce. So, I'm going to dump that over that. I'll try to keep it away from the edges there, and just kind of make it a alright. Let me grab a spoon. I got a spoon to smooth that out. Ah, we got a spatula. Spatula. You all know what that's from. You're old school. Spatula. Alright. Kind of leave a little crust around, or a little opening around the edge there. Alright. Now, again, in the recipe, they were just being basic. They said just put pepperoni and cheese on it. You know me better than that, y'all. We got to kick it up, so we're going to put the pepperoni on there. One more. We're one shy, y'all. One shy. Imagine that. Okay. Got a pepperoni. I want some mushrooms. Sprinkle some mushroom in there. Y'all can use whatever toppings you want. If you're just old school and want just pepperoni, have just the pepperoni, by all means. So, we got that. We got ourselves some Italian sausage, because I like Italian sausage. My favorite pizza toppings: mushroom, onion, pepperoni, and sausage, and anchovy. But we don't have any anchovy to put on here, because the store's been out of it every time I've been there to get some. So, alright, that looks yummy. Got our onion here. Man, my stomach's growling just looking at this stuff, man. If y'all can hear that or not. Alright, there's that. Then we got our cheese. This mozzarella cheese. I'm going to put a healthy layer of mozzarella on it, because it ain't easy being cheesy. Alright, there we go. Alright, now we're going to pop this back in the oven. Readjusted the oven to 375. We're going to cook it for about 25 minutes. So I'm going to get it back in there and bring y'all back whenever we pull her out. Hang on. Alright, y'all, just pulled this out of the oven. Would you look at that? That thing looks amazing. Smells delicious. I'm going to let it cool a little bit. Let that cheese and stuff harden up a little bit. And then we'll slice her up and we'll do a taste test on her. Wow, does it smell great. Alright, y'all. I let that sit for about 10 minutes. So let's see if we can get a chunk cut out of here. I don't know how it's going to work out. We're going to find out. Hopefully it turns out really good. And we're going to use the good china, because it's pizza. You know, that's how pizza's supposed to be eaten. It's off the good china. So, and we're going to go ahead and take a couple pieces here. Well, you won't be picking it up and eating it like a regular pizza, but hey, it's all good. So, looks pretty delicious. So, yeah, I'm gonna grab a fork and we'll give her a whirl. Alright, y'all, got the pizza here. Yeah, that crust doesn't kind of stand together very well, but it's still pretty hot. It's different. It's good, but it's different. Kind of more of a pizza casserole than a regular pizza, so. Yeah, all them toppings really do it for us, so. Alright, y'all. There you have it. Tater tot pizza. It's a win for me. It's pizza. It's good. So, we got the beverage of the day. We got the brown mood juice going. That's really good stuff too. So, anyways, appreciate y'all stopping by, checking out what we got cooking here. Really like it. Please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down in the bottom. I think next time I do make it, I'm going to spray that pan with a little bit of non-stick. Maybe that'll make it kind of brown, crusty, get it kind of more of a crust. But hey, it's pizza, it's good, so I'm gonna eat it just the way it is. But anyways, appreciate you all watching. Take care, and don't forget about the Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Come on in, hang out, and you know, if you're new to the channel here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You'll get more great recipes like this. You'll get stuff that we do in the garage, and we'll get some tractor pulling going because it's almost that time. So appreciate y'all, and as always, bon appetit.